Hi students, we will solve exercise 2.3 for polynomial and factorization based on remainder theorem. Now here they are asking to find out the remainder when p of x, that is first problem I am doing for exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube, so p of x is given as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Find the remainder when p of x, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, is divided by the following linear polynomial. So I am taking one by one. Is divided by, I am taking this as g of x, which is equals to x plus 1. I am taking relative g of x is equals to 0, that is x plus 1 is equals to 0. Since g of x is x plus 1, so x is equals to minus 1. So here p of x now it will be p of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So since the power is odd, minus will remain as 1 plus, since the power is even, minus changes to plus, 3 ones are 3, plus into minus, minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Answer is 0. Therefore you can say that remainder when p of x is divided by g of x is 0. Okay, so in a similar way we'll solve one more problem based on this. The second problem, that is I'll show you x minus 1 by 2 when g of x is x minus 1 by 2. So here you see x minus 1 by 2. So I'm supposing g of x is equals to 0. So we will have x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1 by 2. So here p of 1 by 2 will be equals to 1 by 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is equals to 1 power 3 will be 1 by 2 power 3 will becomes 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 plus 3 into 1 power 2 is 2, 1. 2 power 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 2 plus 1. Now I'll convert them into like fraction. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 into 2 into 2 plus 3 by 2 into 4 into 4 plus 1. So this gives me 1 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 12 by 8 plus 8 by 8. So now all these are like fractions. So common denominator at the numerator, 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. So 1027 by 8. This is the answer. So the remainder when p of x is divided by g of x is 27 by 8. Now we'll see the next problem based on this. G of x we are taking here as 5 plus 2x. So now when let g of x is equals to 0, so 5 plus 2x is equals to 0, 2x is equals to minus 5, x is equals to minus 5 by 2. So p of minus 5 by 2 will be equals to minus 5 by 2 whole to the power of 3 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So this power is odd, minus remain as it is. 5 to the power of 3 will be 125 by 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. Plus power is even, so minus will change to plus. So 5 power 2 will gives me 25 by 2 power 2 will be 4. Plus into minus minus, 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 1. So now we'll convert them into like fraction. Minus 120 by 8 plus 3 into 25 will gives me 75 by 4 into 2 minus 15 by 2 into 4 plus 1 by 1 into 8 into 8. So now this will be equals to minus 125 by 8 plus 150 by 8 minus 60 by 8 plus 8 by 8. So now this is a like fraction, common denominator. Simplify the numerator. Plus 150 minus 60 plus 8. So plus 150 plus 8 will be 158 minus 185 whole divided by 8. So which will be equals to 185 minus 150. So that gives me minus 27 by 8, because see 185 minus 158, 15, this becomes 7, 15 minus 8 is 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, minus 120. So whenever p of x is divided by g of x, that is 5 plus 2x, the remainder is minus 27 by 8. Hope I answered the question. The second problem, find the remainder when p of x, I am taking as second one, p of x is equals to x cube minus px square, then plus 6x minus p is divided by, I am taking this as a divisor as g of x, which is equals to x minus p. Let g of x is equals to 0. It means x minus p is equals to 0, x is equals to p. So p of p, or we can take this as f of x. So I'll change this also to f of p. F of p is equals to p cube minus p into p square plus 6p minus 5. So this will be p cube minus p square into p, again it will be p cube plus 6p minus p, plus p cube minus p cube gets cancelled. 6p minus p will gives me 5p. So when p of x is divided by g of x, so the remainder is 5p. Find the remainder. Third problem, find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divide the polynomial state reason? So I'm taking this as p of x, which is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. And I'm taking g of x as 2x minus 3. He's asking me to find whether this g of x exactly divides p of x or no. If it is not dividing, give the reason. So let g of x is equals to 0. That implies 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 2. So p of 3 by 2 will be equals to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5. So this gives me 2 into 9 by 4 minus 3 3 is 9 by 2 plus 5. So here no yeah, 2 1 times 2, 2 times. So I'm getting 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So 9 by 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 5. 3 by 2 whole square. 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4. So 3 into 3 is 9 by 2. 2 1 times 2 2 times, so I'm getting 9 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So the answer we are getting is 5. So you can say that 2x minus 3 does not divide exactly p of x, as the remainder is 5.